Hi, Year 5. Before we start our main maths lesson today, we are going to warm our brains up by practicing multiplying and dividing by 10, 100 and 1,000. Have a go at this challenge here. I've put the pause button on for you. Feel free to pause me, do the task, and then when you're finished, you can check the answers in a moment. Remember, if you're feeling a bit stuck, a place value grid is a really great resource to help you. And here are your answers. Today's lesson and our new topic is all about volume. So our learning objective today is to understand the term volume and how to measure it. I've got an example of a question that you may be asked here. Order the shapes from smallest to largest volume. In order to be able to do this, we need to learn two key skills. First of all, we need to understand the term volume. And secondly, we need to be able to use cubes to help us to calculate the volume of an object. So, what is volume? On a piece of paper, or on a whiteboard if you have one, jot down some ideas that you might have as to what volume is. When you're ready, carry on with the video and see my explanation. So, volume. Volume is the amount of space a 3D shape takes up. A cubic centimetre block, like one of these small ones down here, takes up 1 cubic centimetre. This is written as 1 centimetre cube. We've seen this symbol before this year. You can work out the volume of a shape by multiplying height times length times width. If the shape is made up of cubic centimetre blocks, you can count the cubes to help you find the shape's volume. For example, we could count these blocks here to find the volume of this cube. Now, we mustn't get confused between volume and capacity. And capacity is related to the amount a container can hold. But if you're thinking about like 1 centimetre cubed is the equivalent of 1 millilitre. So, how to use cubes to find volume. If you have some cubes at home or some Lego bricks, you can use these to help you. If you don't, it's quite easy to be able to count from the screen or from the printout that you will have. So, as you know, we can find the volume of a shape using the formula volume equals length times height times width. Have a look at this cuboid here. The length is 8 centimetres, the height is 4 centimetres, and the width is 3 centimetres. If I multiply 8 times 4 is 32, 32 times 3 equals 96 centimetres cubed. For further explanation, stop the video and go to the bite-sized link on the weekly overview and have a look more about volume. So, let's have a go at key skill 2, which is to use cubes to find volume. Now, if you have cubes on your desk, you can make this shape below. If you don't, it's quite easy to count the cubes. So, the question says, complete the stem sentences to show the volume of this cuboid. The cuboid is made up of how many 1 centimetre cubes? The volume of this cuboid is centimetres cubed. So, how many centimetre cubes is it made up of? I've got on this top layer 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I've got 2 lots of 10, so I know that my cuboid is made up of 21 centimetre cubes. If you've made that shape using the cubes, you can count them and check them now. Now, if the cuboid is made up of 21 centimetre cubes, the volume of the cuboid is 20 centimetres cubed. I apologise for my writing with the mouse. Hopefully it's clear enough for you all to read. Now, we talked earlier about capacity and volume. Here you can see we've got the capacity shown. We want to calculate the volume. I've got increments here of equal amounts. I know this is 100, so we know it's counting in 100s. 2, 3, 400 milliliters or 400 centimeters cubed. Let's have a go at these ones. We've got a cuboid here. We need to find out how many 1 centimetre cubes it's made out of. Again, make the shape if you have the cubes at home. If we count them, we've got 6 on the top, 6 in the middle, and 6 in the bottom. So we've got 18 1 centimetre cubes. The volume of the cuboid is therefore 18 centimetre cubed. Let's have a look at this one. I'm going to count the cubes. 2, 4, 6, 8. The cuboid is made up of 8 1 centimetre cubes. The volume of the cuboid, therefore, is 8 centimetres cubed. Now, we can use the formula length times height times width to do this, but sometimes the shapes that are made with the cubes aren't exactly a cuboid or a cube, so we have to be able to count them as well to find the answer. Again, we can look at the capacity that's being held here with the water. We've got 1,000 millilitres. We need to work out how much each one of these lines is worth by counting them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I can find out how many millilitres I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600 millilitres. If I'm finding the volume though, I'm going to have 600 centimetre cubed. Right, we're at the show me slide. So I'd like you to have a go at making the cubes or counting the cube, making the shapes or counting the cubes. You may stop the video now, and when you're ready to check your answer, pause the video. Okay. Shape A is 16 centimetre cubed and shape B is 24 centimetre cubed. Let's have a look again at the volume. We definitely need to count and see how many increments we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600 millilitres. And hopefully you've got that, 600 centimetres cubed. So, on the school website, you will find the resources for this. Work through bronze and silver, check your answers. When you're ready, move on to gold, platinum, and emerald. The gold question looks like this. Sam has built a shape that has a volume of 12 centimetres cubed. Using 1 centimetre cube blocks, build a shape that has the same volume of sands, half the volume of sands, and 3 times the volume of sands. It really helps if you do have some sort of block here, but it's not completely necessary. Have a try. You will definitely need to think about the formula with this one and how you can make the different shapes. Good luck. Don't forget to try the other reasoning and problem solving questions. And when you're ready, mark your work using your highlighters. Okay. Well done for today's lesson. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.